Tamulo Ndlela believes that he's a spokesperson of the MKP. He's not. He's a spokesperson of that tuck shop of Zuma called Umkhonto Wesizwe, not Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. He must understand that. He was in there because at the time we needed a spokesperson, but he's no longer a member of ours, not a member of MKP. He's a spokesperson of Zuma, and he must talk to Zuma, and he must stop threatening our men. I will never allow such stupidity to happen to my leadership. He has threatened our men. We have noted that, and also the people on the ground were threatened when they wanted to go to that picketing. They were blocked. We understand there were 2 GTIs in the vicinity, and also the X3s that were running around, making sure that people do not go to the legislature to picket. That's how stupid these people are. They can go to the extreme because they think they are God of this country. But one day I'm going to show them that they are very stupid and they are nothing. Nothing. They must understand that they are nothing. They are they stole the party through forgery. The very same Tamulo and his friend Tutuzile. They are the ones that made that signature on the letter that I never wrote. So today they're trying to think that we are afraid of them. I'm not. They must understand that if they want fire, they will get the fire.
Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Edida abaningi-ke inkulumo kaJabulani owaduma ngenkathi i-MK isasungulwa nowagcina echithiwe uZuma, uPresident Zuma washo ukuthi no, i-MK belongs to them. As far as we know, or as I know, Mr. Law is not part of the MK party. So lento ekhulumayo, it's just guys, if anyone understand what ukuyahlangi uyagolgula ngekhanda. But anyway, khona manjalo ke khona namhlanje ke i-MK itself isiphinde ya-announce a new leadership and a parliament caucus changes that they have done. Abanye abantu ke bangayibuka njenge-crisis lento yenza kwi-MK, but bona bayibona njengobuqotho kahle ke. Bakhipha statement bathi Umkhonto Wesizwe MK Party wishes to inform the public of its and its members of important organizational and parliamentary caucus changes taken in the best interest of strengthening the movement and advancing its political mandate. But following the decision taken by UHR President Jacob Zuma, together with the national officials, the party has resolved to relieve Comrade Mbiyakhe Limba of his duties as uTreasurer as njengoba engumgcini mafa ngokushesha. MK iphinde yaqhuba yathi bathanda-ke ukuthi bambonge Mr. Limba for ukuthi asevise nokuthi abe umphathi abe ingxenye yalombutho aseve ngesikhathi sakhe, kodwa-ke manje isikhathi sakhe sesifika sekugcineni, and they wish him well for i-future yakhe. Iphathi-ke futhi MK Party iphinde yaqhubeka yamemezela ukuthi isiqoke uComrade Brian Molefe as the new Treasurer General of the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. uComrade-ke uMolefe bathi uzoletha ubuhlani bakhe ne-experience yakhe yokuthi wake waba ngaphambilini administrator ku-government, kuhulumeni, kanjalo nalapha-ke ezimalini, and futhi ba-understand ukuthi we-understand i-MK Party. Bathi-ke i-track record yakhe kanye nomcabango kwakhe kanye ne-understanding yakhe yama-financial issues and financial system emenza abe umuntu o-right ngempela ukuthi aqualifye ukuthi athole lesikhundla sokuba ngumgcini mafa we-MK omusha sha. Base bethi-ke regarding i-caucus lapha ePhalamende sebethatha isinqumo sokuthi barelieve uColleen Makhubele of her duties as a chief whip ngokushesha. Base-ke kodwa bathe uzoqhubeka abe member of parliament, bamsuse nje ukuthi abe usontwiphu wephathi, bathe bayambonga ngokuthi akwenzile nokusizile kwiphathi ukuthi zifike la ikhona. Kodwa njengamanje izinto zihambe kahle, sebe-appointe uComrade Mabatho Mokoena Zondi okuwuyena osozoba-ke u-chief whip waleli party laphaya ePhalamende, okuwena ozothatha-ke iy'nqumo and adlale esikhundleni sokuthi akabe engu-chief whip. Base bethi-ke ipurpose yokuthi bafake labantu laba akona ukuthi mhlambe kumele i-interfreshe no-speaker noma yini, cha, bona nje benzela ukuthi bashintshe abantu babo ngoba-ke bayazi kungani. Base bethi-ke i-MK Party futhi iphinde ukuthi ithanda ukumemezela ukuthi usasuspendiwe uComrade Vanessa Calvert and ne-statement sa-ek laphaya ePhalamende ngestatement sakhe asenze ePhalamende nokuthi-ke bathi lokususpendwa kwakhe angeke abuye njengamanje. So ama-changes-ke la wenziwe i-MK Party, bakhiphile omunye bafaka u-chief omusha, bakhipha umgcini mafa bafaka umgcini omusha. Angazi-ke sebebangaka abagcini bafa be-MK bekhishwa bengena. So those are the changes that the party has made so far as the year begins, where they have new leadership.